Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a custom font to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on a landing page on one of my sites, and to start adding your font, what you're going to need to do first is, of course, download the file for your font and upload it somewhere if you can get the link to it. And once you have your file and your link, you can go over into Pages. Once you're in Pages, scroll down all the way down until you get to Utilities, and then click on Website Tools. Once you're here, you're going to go into Custom CSS, and as you can see, you can go into Custom Files. Now, this code is what you're going to need for your custom font or your own font that you're adding. As you can see, it is very simple code, so just copy it over, and as you can see, you have the font family as well as the source. You just need to here under the source, under URL, you just need to add the name of your font or the font file. Just make a / and add the title, the name of the file, as well as the extension of the file. I don't have a file, so I'll just keep it like that. And then you want to upload the file, just go into custom files, add images or fonts, and then select the font file from your computer. And as far as that goes, that is pretty much all you need to do for adding a font, or a custom font rather, to your Squarespace site. Then once you go into styles, you can then go ahead and select that font as the font family for your text, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.